So today I'm gonna give a really fast crash course about how to use LaTeX to write a paper. I use LaTeX for my thesis, and there's a couple of reasons for that. So first reason is that I really like the citation manager. The BibTeX is really useful, really easy to use. You don't need to manually manage different citation, different format, and also my thesis need to be in HOE format, but the journal I'm submitting to is using APA format. So in here it's also really easy to just switch between the format, and also the originally why people use LaTeX is for equations, and I also have some equations in my paper, and that's why I use it. It's kind of simple to use, and also insert images. If you I don't know if you can do that in Word, but like figure one, if you insert another image before figure one, now you need to change the figure one to figure two. But in LaTeX, they can manage this by itself. I think in Word they can maybe also do that by itself, but I just don't know how to do that. Another reason I really like to use LaTeX is that have the comment, so it's like a code, so you can write your blah 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 here, and then you can write the code here. You say, okay, I need to add more. When you compile this line will not show up on the right side. So you can just have a mental note here, you telling yourself you need to do this. And if you don't want to write all the code, you can use the visual editor. Oh yeah, by the way, I use overleaf because you can have multi people collaboration here. You can push it to GitHub, and you have just like a out of box compiler you can use. And I'm going through some really quick features in LaTeX. The first one will definitely just be equations. To enter the equation mode, you can either use this thing with equations. Here I would um, say like the the log is defined as, and here you can this is not the actual word, but people say that log probability. So here you can just, it's really simple. So first I want the summation, so I just type slash sum, and then in LaTeX when you have an underscore, this means you have a subscript, and if you have this, I think everyone knows what this means is a superscript. So I want to do sum I equal to 0, and the this curly bracket, it means like treat this as a whole. So without this, only the one will be in underscore. See, only the one is here. Yeah, the equation, the font is really amazing for LaTeX. So here I have to put it here from I equal to 0 all the way to I equal to 10. And then, not actually not 10, it's L, which is the log prop of C of generated sequence. And then this one will be log of your probability. P, this one should be T, it will be better. PT, P, yeah. This is not a really exact definition. It will be much more complex, but it's just an example. And if you want to have like a not an inline equation, but like a standalone equation, you do this. And here I'm showing something else. I'm showing how to do integral. Just this will be integral. And also you have some integral. You also have some really commonly used like mathematic symbols. So here I can have for alpha in set A. Actually, this doesn't really make sense, right? This will be sum, it will make sense. And then here, I can have, and if you don't know how to do something, just Google it. Overleaf, they have really good formula, not formula, really good documentation for all this. So here, I can also have begin case. Yeah, so if you have a case here, I don't think case should be here. I can say f x equal to begin case. Now, in case, end case, and then I can say equal to 1 when x is less than or equal to 0. Otherwise, you become f of x minus 1. I don't know if this makes sense, but I'm just saying. here. I think for case, I need to include a package. So you just search LaTeX case. Oh, cases, never mind. Those will be cases. Still, I think we need a package for this. You need the AMS math. After this, yeah, see, it worked. And then introduction. And here you can have section methods. So if you do this, it will show up another section method here. And if you don't want the number 2, you just put a star after the section. This will omit the number. See? And then at the beginning, I can have begin abstract. You show abstract here. So the abstract goes here. And then on a couple other things, you can have begin table. So here, this will be your cable caption. This will be cable. And for your cable label, you can here say as shown in table. See as shown in table 1. And if I have multiple table here, this will be something else. You can see this as shown in table 2. And this one, the end symbol representing horizontal separation, and the double backslash representing the new line, like a horizontal separation. And I think that's most of the stuff here for LaTeX, basic use of LaTeX. And I'm gonna tell you guys how to do citation. So I usually use citation. I use a package called, I think it's LaTex. There's something here you need in the head that I forgot to use. It's fine, like, every time you don't do something or you have a really good documentation, you just go look it up. By the way, this video is not sponsored by the Olive, and this is one way to do it, but actually I use another package. Let me show you guys which package I use. I use this package. I use this one and this one. So no, it's just one package. Just like you need to say the ref.pdf.bib. So here ref.bib, and you can have print, and I use another website called zbib. So for zbib, I can see here I'm already using the convolutional network this paper. I just download as bibtext. After I download it as bibtext, I open it. You can open it with whatever you want. It's a text file. So I can just use it with Notepad, and then you just copy this, put it in here, and then you can rename this to something else, or if you don't want to rename it, it's fine. Here I can say as shown in the auto site, not offer, auto site. See here, it was as shown in 1, and this is the 1. And if you don't want to do IEEE, you want to use APA, you just change it to APA. See, this will become APA format, and there's a lot of different format, but I only use this two. And I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and yeah.